Samsung will be unveiling the Galaxy S24 Ultra on January 17 alongside with the S24 and S24 Plus, and it will be the company best phone yet. This will be the third time Samsung will be using the S22 Ultra shell, but you would expect the new phone with better in almost every walk way thanks to refinement both big and small. Here's what you can expect to see based on rumors and leaks so far. Like Apple 15 Pro and Pro Max, the S24 Ultra will be using a titanium alloy in its frame to bring the weight down. Titanium is very strong and its tandem with aluminum can be very light. Apple shaved off nearly 20 grams from its biggest phone by using titanium, and we expect the S24 Ultra to shave off similar amount of weight. Samsung will be launching in 4 color options: titanium black, titanium violet, titanium gray, and titanium yellow. Expect additional exclusive online colors from Samsung, which include orange, green, and blue color options. Flat, bright display. The Galaxy S23 Ultra lost a bit of its display curvature. The S24 Ultra will get rid of it altogether. That's either a huge win or a grave disappointment to you, depending upon your position on flat versus curved screen debate. In either case, it means that regular glass screen protector will finally be an option on the Ultra variant. The display will light up to a bright 2600 nits but is otherwise the same 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED 2X QHD Plus panel we have seen on the S22 Ultra. A flat display also makes more sense for the pen-enabled phone. Speaking of which, S Pen, one of the Galaxy S Ultra marquee feature is the S Pen, and you can be sure the S24 Ultra will have one. Whether the new pen will be smarter or somehow better is unknown, and FCC certification seemingly point out to an unchanged pen. New 5x camera, old 200 megapixel, 10 megapixel, and a 12 megapixel. There was a lot of speculation around the S24 Ultra camera setup. It seems clear now that Samsung will be adding a new 5x camera module, and it will almost likely be a periscope unit with a 50 megapixel sensor. That's around 120mm in optical term, and we can expect it to perform double duty as 10x and 100x shooter as well by leveraging its superior sensor and optics to ongoing 10x camera. We should also see 200 megapixel main sensor from Galaxy S23 Ultra, a 10 megapixel 3x zoom that's likely the same as the outgoing one, and 12 megapixel ultra wide with autofocus and 12 megapixel of selfie upfront. A word on the video: the main camera will be able to capture 8K video at up to 30 frames per second and 4K up to 120 frames per second. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will snap a 24 megapixel photo by default, just like the iPhone 15 series. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with AI. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will be unveiling the use of the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 across the world. It comes paired with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM, 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. Samsung has reportedly nearly doubled the vapor chamber from the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which would lead to a better thermal performance. Thanks to Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be Samsung's smartest AI phone ever. The phone will have on-demand live translate. You can speak foreign languages straight in the phone app and have it translated in real time. Other AI features will be a dynamic lock screen and a smarter keyboard as a part of 1.1 UI 6.1. Back to the camera, while the optics hardware is same, the new chipset will bring a host of improvement. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will have an AI-optimized main camera photos. Samsung will reportedly took care to fix the S23 Ultra muddied output by using a new algorithm that recognizes 12 kinds of objects. Night mode is also better. Nightographic zoom will bring brighter nighttime photos with the zoom camera. Generative Edit is also another AI feature that lets you move or remove objects or fill a space with whether you want. But note, Samsung account and internet connection will be required. Battery and charging. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a 5000 mAh battery as its predecessor, with the same 45-watt wide and 15-watt wireless charging and the same 0 to 65% in 30 minutes charging time. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will not be coming with emergency satellite, which is kind of a disappointment, but you know that Qualcomm has also scrapped that idea, so that's maybe the reason that this year satellite connectivity is not coming. Pricing wise, the S24 Ultra will be coming with $1449 for the base storage, 1569 for 512GB and 1809 for 1TB variant respectively. Samsung will once again offer a pre-order bonuses. Everyone that orders before the launch will get a double the storage at the same price. Essentially a 512GB phone for the price of 256GB of variant, and also you can get a discount on Samsung watches or Galaxy Buds, and in some country you can even get a Galaxy Buds free instead of storage upgrade. And yo guys, January 17 is right now in the leaks for the event. We haven't seen officially from Samsung when they are going to be launching, but it is possible that you could see the launch to be January 17. And yo, if you want to keep yourself updated regarding the latest news on S24 Ultra, be sure to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.